Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2024 Ford Transit Dropside. Now this does come to you with 7 seats, so plenty of room for everyone you'd ever need to travel with as well. We'll just open up the passenger door now just to show you on the inside. We do have 3 cloth lined seats at the front, as well as a 6-speed manual transmission, heating, radio, Bluetooth as well. And I will just show you in the back as well, we do have enough room in here for 4 bench seats at the back here, so whatever site you may be visiting, this is a perfect vehicle for you. And an absolutely pristine, clean bed at the back as well. All the 3 sides do indeed come down, but for this short video I will just show you just this side. There we are, comes down nice and gently as well, and there we have it. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Dropside, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It's in the description of this video. Or you can head to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can discover more about this vehicle. There we go.